Hello everyone, this is my 10 years old Acer Aspire 5 laptop and today I am going to show you how did I convert this to a very good looking and compact wooden CPU. So let's get started. The configuration of my Acer Aspire 5 was 4GB RAM DDR4 and 1TB 540 RPM STD with i5 4th Gen U processor. It was working quite good. Suddenly one day it stopped working. Keypad was not working and I got it replaced. But again, after 6 months, it stopped working. So this time I decided to give it a new body. I came up with a new idea where I thought to put this motherboard into one wooden cabinet. I made the cabinet by myself, but I could not record the video. Anyhow, I can walk you through all the components and what upgrades I have done to this CPU. Amazing thing about this CPU is that it can provide you some kind of backup when there is power outage. So I have used the same laptop's battery inside the CPU.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
So now you can see here it is 1 TB SSD. So this one I have used as for memory storage, and for this one I have used in the CD-ROMs slot 7 pin to 13 pin. So this one is WD to 500 GB battery SSD. So this one I use as the primary storage. I have upgraded the RAM here and put one more 4GB stick. And this is the power button I have given from the 20 pins. And good thing about the CPU, it comes with an inbuilt battery. The laptop battery I have used here as the UPS, so in case of power outage it will give a very good amount of backup. And I have installed one more heatsink here and one on the CPU body on the back side of it, which works very well. And this is the one extra CPU fan I have added so that it can show away the hot air from inside the box.